As you're watching this video, most likely you heard a lot about Amazon FBA and that you can make gazillion dollars from that marketplace. And it's kind of true, but what people don't show you is how much money you actually make, because it's not that much. I'm talking about those Amazon gurus that are flexing with their cars on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere, but to try to sell you a course and tell that, hey, you can buy this product in China and then ship it to US and then sell it on Amazon 3 times more expensive, and you're gonna make 75% profit margins from one sale. Obviously, this is not true. And you know why you should listen to me? Because I own analytics software that help Amazon sellers track their profitability in real time. So there is a lot of information that I can share with you. So the first thing what I wanted to say is that you can make money on Amazon. You can make profit. You can build a profitable business. It's just not that easy as it was before. And what is currently as an open source data, most likely already not working. What I'm saying is, if you're gonna find a product in China that you will ship to Amazon and then you will start selling it, the first thing that you will face is fees. There are a lot of fees. I will tell you there are about 70 different fees, and the most important ones are Amazon referral fee. So you're gonna pay Amazon the percentage of your revenue just because you sell on their marketplace. So they bring you the traffic, you pay them commission, and usually it's about 15%. Then you're gonna pay fulfillment fee, and this is gonna be a delivery cost to your customer. And this is what most like courses tell you, that you're going to pay commission to Amazon, you're going to pay for delivery, but then there are a bunch of other fees. So let's start with one of the most important parts. It's how much it costs to sell on Amazon, and there are different fees. So I wanted to show you the fees breakdown. So this is how on average Amazon sellers see their costs. Yeah, so there is a cost of goods sold, which is cost of your product, and I will get back to this soon. And this is the fulfillment fee. So this is a cost of delivering your product from the Amazon fulfillment center to your customer. Then you have referral fee, and this will be your payment to Amazon as a commission because you utilize their platform and they bring you the traffic, so you pay commission. Then you have advertising cost, and the advertising cost, it's a must-have. There is almost no option to sell without ads. And you know, if you're going to utilize those basic strategies like ship products from China to US, I bet you're going to run ads a lot. Then you have discounts. You're going to provide some coupons, promotions to increase your click-through rate on your listing. So you're going to have some discounts. Then you have refunds. Obviously, people that buy from Amazon, they have Amazon Prime, and they don't care about if it's going to cost you a lot of money to make a return or not. For them, it's like a simple one-click step. They will ship this product back to FBA. It might be in unsellable condition. You might not be able to sell it one more time, and then you're going to lose the product. You're going to pay Amazon fees. You're going to pay FBA fee. You're going to lose a ton of money from one refund. And if your business is going to face high return rate because of the product quality, then it's done. You are out of the business already. You're also going to pay storage fee. If you ship your products to Amazon FBA and you're gonna store your products on their fulfillment centers, you're gonna pay for the storage. Then there are other fees, and there are about, I don't know, like 70 different fees that Amazon gonna charge you, including like removal fee. If your product gets back after a refund to Amazon fulfillment center, you need to remove it from their fulfillment center to your own address, and you're gonna pay a removal fee. If you wanted to, you know, to dispose this product, you're gonna pay the disposal fee. You're gonna pay subscription. You're gonna pay for you know, Vines. It's like to get the first reviews. You're gonna pay for a bunch of different things. Honestly, this is just a lot. And then you have adjustments where Amazon is, you know, because this is a huge network of, like, it's a logistics company, to be honest. They will sometimes they will lose your inventory and they will pay you money back. So this is actually a positive thing. It's a profit. Few statistics about Amazon that you need to know before starting this business. The first one, there is about from 2,000 to 4,000 sellers that are registering daily. So as you understand, there is a huge number. If you're gonna multiply it, let's take an average 3,000 and multiply it by 30, you will get this number. Yeah, it's pretty high. And some of them succeed, but most of them don't make any profit and shut down. The second thing, what you need to understand is, if in this business you could easily make money everyone would do this. And that's what actually happened. Yeah, everyone after COVID, everyone thought, oh, I can make money on Amazon. They started launching their products. They started researching their products in like looking what they can source from China to US. Then they did all of that research. They purchased the inventory. They shipped it to FBA. They made the seller central account. They made everything, and then boom, no sales. They don't know what to do. And why? Because Amazon is the most competitive marketplace in the world. You need to understand this. It's super important. If you're gonna enter Amazon, so I'm right now, yeah, let's say bathroom rugs. There are 6,000 results for this keyword, bathroom rugs. And there are a ton of companies that will sell their product for $9.99, and you can also get 40% coupon. I can tell you right away, this company is selling this product at loss. They don't make any money from it. But there are different strategies how they will make money. It's a different story. Imagine everyone is telling you, I'm gonna source my products from China and sell it in US 3 times higher pricing, 5 times higher pricing. What if I'm gonna tell you that those manufacturers that you purchase from in China already sell on Amazon? Let's take this seller as an example. I don't know if he's a US seller or an American seller. We can check this, sold by, and then let's scroll down. Boom, it's Chinese address. And you might buy from them, and they also will be your competitor on Amazon. And guess what? Your product manufacturing cost is much lower than yours, because the Chinese manufacturer also make profit on your units that you buy. And the second part that is very important is that most likely you are not gonna do a significant order, like it's called MOQ, minimal order quantity. Yeah, let's say you're gonna order 100 units, 1,000 units to test. There are companies that order tens of thousands. They order containers and ship them to Amazon. Obviously they will have a lower product cost. Because they have lower product costs, they're gonna have lower pricing, and you cannot compete with them. Ask me, Damian, okay, so should I just not launch my Amazon business? And I'm gonna tell you, no, there is still a lot of opportunity there. You just need to be prepared. One of the millionaires I met in New York told me that the amount of budget that you waste, like there will be lost, is proportionally equal to amount of time that you will invest into research. If your investment into research is small, you're gonna lose a lot of money. If you do a big research, you most likely you're gonna lose less money, just because you're gonna spend more time and you will take into account different options, and this will help you to make the right decision. So how can you make profit on Amazon? The first one is, don't think that pricing is your competitive advantage. Always think that there will be some Chinese manufacturers that can enter your category and then will sell your product cheaper. Your product should have a competitive advantage. It should be unique, and this competitive advantage should be visible from the main picture, because people are buying pixels. They don't know anything about your brand when they enter, let's say, bathroom rugs keyword, but what you show on the picture is your competitive advantage. So if you're gonna create a unique product, this unique product can have a success. The next thing is, if you found a lucrative category and there is no competition, it's a good product, it's a good price point, it's a small product, I don't know, like, if you just found a really, really good category that is not saturated at all, but there is a demand. As I mentioned, there are about 3,000 sellers signing up daily, and there is even much more people that also saw this category same day as you did. So let's say you found this category. You're gonna order samples, then you're gonna buy this inventory, it's gonna be shipped from China to America, you're gonna prepare the listings, the pictures and all of that stuff, and then boom, you see there is a bunch of competition in front of you and you don't know what to do. You should not be scared of the category that already exists. You should be scared to provide the product that is already being present on the market. My suggestion, think about unit economics. Think about the product that will have a lower refund rate. Think about the product that will have packaging that can be repacked, that if people will return this product, it still can be sold one more time. Think about the product that is not containing, let's say, glass, so it's during the delivery it's not getting broken. Think about the product that is has a high potential. There are a lot of different categories. You know, one of the trending categories might be, you know, candle lamp, candle warmer lamp. This is one of the categories that can be, you know, popular one, the new cool category. And you can see there is an opportunity to make a competitive advantage, because this is a design product, so you can have different designs that will make your product unique. Yeah, so there is an opportunity to make a product as a competitive advantage that will look like unique, and this also can be can work with the TikTok. So yeah, you know, there are also, I want to share with you a couple of good websites that you can utilize to learn about Amazon. So there is a revenue calculator provided by Amazon directly. You know, I can enter any key product. Let's say I'm gonna enter this product, and there is an ASIN. It's an Amazon standard identification number that is assigned to every product. It's like product unique code, and you can see here in item details ASIN, and then I will enter this ASIN in this revenue calculator, and I will click search. So Amazon will show me, here's their price, here is their referral fee, here there is fulfillment costs, and then, you know, you can enter their estimated, you know, cost of goods sold. You know, maybe this product will cost me, I don't know, let's say $7. And then I also need to take into account my advertising costs. Let's say it will be the percentage of the revenue. Let's say I'm gonna spend for every 1 unit sold, let it be not 10%, let's say $5. And then I also need to take into account refunds, and the refund rate for such a category might be about like 5%. So it's another $1.5, so 6.5. And then, you know, here it might be not even 7, but can be, you know, 8, 9. Overall, you will get your net margin. And if you get something that is about 25, like let's say 30%, take into account all of those costs, it's possible, but you also need to consider that, okay, there is something that is not true there. Usually the margins, they obviously depend on the category, but it's somewhere, you know, from let's say 10 to 25%. Yeah, everything else is pretty rare, and usually it's below 20. So what most growers gonna tell you is like, hey, you need to buy your product from China, then ship it to US. You need to calculate your cost of goods, because it, you know, you have a product cost, then you have a freight cost, then you have customs duties, then you have delivery to FBA. So there is a bunch of different costs that you need to take into account, and it will be your cost of goods. Those percentages are percentages to revenue. So like cost of goods sold might be 30% of your revenue. Then fulfillment fees, it's another cost that will happen with every sale. It's already 26%. So now look, if we're gonna sum up those two, we're already getting 56% of your revenue is gone. Yeah. Now we have referral fees. So 56 plus 14 is how much? 70. Yeah. So 70% is gone. Now advertising, and as I mentioned, you cannot survive on Amazon nowadays without ads. You need to put it as a 15 as an average. And now we're getting to 85%. And there are a bunch of other fees that will most likely provide you with a break-even profitability. And you also need to understand that Amazon is very price competitive. So if someone's gonna sell exactly the same product as you do, and you don't have any competitive advantage, you don't have a lot of reviews and nothing, and they sell at lower price, you're done. So you need to, you most likely gonna need to lower your price, because your sales will plummet significantly. So, and that's the issue. Yeah. And imagine Amazon is pretty available for everyone. Okay, I hope this video was helpful to you. My goal is to, you know, for people that just start their, you know, journey in e-commerce, I believe you have hardly earned money that you wanted to invest into the right project, and that's the goal of this video. So you don't lose your money just because someone is telling you, oh, that you can make $100,000 on Amazon just simply by sourcing products from China. So hope this helped. Please put a like button. please put a subscribe button. If you're already selling on Amazon, as I mentioned before, I own an Amazon analytics company called My Real Profit. It provides you with a bunch of different analytics tools like profit analytics, inventory analytics, traffic analytics, market share analytics, PPC analytics, and a bunch of other things. You can check it out. We offer a 14-day free trial, super helpful tool. So yeah, check out the link below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye.